Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Hannah. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out me and my YouTube channel for today's video. I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing another Valentine's Day look. Today I'm going to be doing a pink look. So get out your makeup brushes, and let's go ahead and get right on into this makeup tutorial. I'm going to go into my Morphe Lisa eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that really pretty peachy pink color in the top second row, and what I'm going to do with that shade is just apply that to the inner half of my crease using this tiny little detailed crease brush. Into my Ace Beauty, this is the Grandos palette. I actually haven't used this palette. I don't really feel super inspired by this palette when I look at it, and I've debated on whether or not I should declare this out in my collection because it needs to go somewhere where it's going to get actually used. But I'm going to take the shade Jasmine, which is just a really pretty shimmer color. I'm going to place that onto the lid, and I'm going to be using this flat shader brush to apply it. Going into my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the shade Lola Mama and apply that to the outer half of the lid / crease area. And what I'm going to be applying that shadow with is this e.l.f. eye contour brush. Alright, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to go into some mascara, and the mascara that I'm going to use today is just the Essence Flash Princess Mascara. I'm super excited because I found these the other day at my local Dollar Tree, and I was ecstatic because I have seen these all over TikTok. Everybody and their grandmama on TikTok uses these lashes and raves about them. These are the Ioni lashes. These are the 3D Fox Mink lashes. These are in the style Natural Little Doll, and this is just what they look like. They're just very natural, very wispy. I got some super bold ones too. That's in a pink packaging, and they are just absolutely stunning. So I cannot wait to try out these lashes. My friend Savannah, she really likes these lashes as well. So I'm really excited to use these because, like I said, everybody has just raved and just talked about these. So yeah, so I'm just going to pop these on, and what I'm going to do is use my little metal eyelash applicator from Beauty Big Bang, and then go in with my strip lash adhesive glue. Alright, now I'm going to go into my Milk Hydro Grip Facial Primer. I forgot to let my facial primer sink into my skin when I was doing my eyeshadow. I always do that, and now I'm really regretting it. So we're going to quickly do my face primer, and I'm going to give it a couple seconds to sink in before I put on my foundation. I just always like to do that. I just feel like it kind of helps the foundation sit better on your skin when you give it a little bit to kind of like soak in. I really like the Milk Hydro Grip Primer because it is a nice tacky primer, and it really helps your makeup last longer because the tackiness just adheres to the skin, and it just kind of works like glue, or, you know, like Gorilla Glue, I guess, in a sense. So I'm just going to rub this all over my face. Alright, now I'm going to go into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm just trying to use it up because, honestly, it's going to be a year old in April, so it really needs to be used up. So y'all probably will be seeing this in a lot of my tutorials, and I'm really sorry about that. But I'm just going to be applying this with my e.l.f. complexion sponge, and I'm going to be going in with about 2 or 3 pumps of this product to get an extreme full coverage. Now I'm going to be going into my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade 02 Fair. And I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes, a little bit on the center of my chin and my forehead, just to kind of brighten up those areas. Now I'm going to be going into my e.l.f. This is the Prime and Stay at Finishing Pressed Powder. And what I'm going to be doing is setting my under eye with this powder. I used to keep this in my purse, but I no longer carry a purse just because it just got to be too much for me. Not only that, I really don't go anywhere anymore thanks to COVID. So kind of don't need to keep this in my purse anymore either. So I just kind of like have been using it in my regular makeup routine. And I'm just going to be applying it with this little brush right here. Now I'm going to be going into my LA Colors. This is the white eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to be taking this into my waterline because now we're going to finish up the eyes with doing the lower lash line area. Now I'm going to go into that shade of Lolly Mama again, and I'm just going to be smudging that along my lower lash line area. And what I'm going to be doing it with is taking this little angled brush right here. Now I'm going to be going into the Essence Lash Princess Mascara just on the bottom lashes. I really like this mascara. It gives my lashes a lot of volume, and it really does kind of give them like a false lash effect. Now I'm going to be going into my Makeup Revolution. This is the Mega Bronzer in the shade 01 Cool. And what I'm going to be doing with this bronzer is just kind of applying this to my face just to add my face some warmth. I'm going to be adding this kind of like to the hollows of my cheekbones, a little bit on my temples, just to kind of give me a nice sun-kissed look. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go into my Milk Makeup. This is the Lip and Cheek Stick. This is in the shade Work. And this is just a really pretty pink color. The cap can sometimes kind of be a little hard to twist off for me personally, because you kind of like have to get like a nice stir and a grip on it. But I do really like this product. It smells like watermelon candies, like the little Sour Patch watermelons. You know what I'm talking about? It smells like that. They smell just so good and just so heavenly. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of like dot this on my cheekbones, and then I'm going to blend it out with this little stipple brush right here from the Target brand Up and Up. It's just like a Target little off-brand. Going into my Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. It's just a really pretty glowy highlight. It does have kind of like a pink duochrome to it, so it kind of has like a nice little pink shift to it. It's really, really pretty in lighting, especially natural lighting. It's just so pretty. I love this highlight. And to apply it, I'm going to be using this little highlight brush from Cheek. Alrighty, and then last but surely not least, this part always makes me sad because I actually really hate being done with my makeup. Like, I love doing my makeup. This is just such a peaceful time for me. It's just relaxing. You know, the only thing that I have to focus on in that moment is blending out my eyeshadow or, you know, blending out my bronzer, just whatever. I don't know. It's just very peaceful, and it's just very calming, and it just makes me feel good, you know, to do my makeup. It's a great pick-me-up on days like today when you're just kind of waking up and you're just feeling very blah. I don't know. I've just had a lot of down days recently where I just feel a little blah. And I'll just sit over here and I'll just film and do my makeup, and it just picks me right back up and it puts me in a really good mood. So definitely recommend doing your makeup or just doing something that you find really calming and really helpful for you whenever you just feel kind of blah. So I'm going to be going in today with my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Crush. I'm really excited because I just ordered the Huda Beauty No Filter Foundation, the new one, to review here on my channel, and I'm so excited. It just got shipped out this morning. I ordered it last night, and then next month, because I've already met my quota for my makeup budget for this month, but next month I'm going to be ordering the Tantour from Huda Beauty, the little cream bronzer. bronzer because I've gotten really into cream products recently, like cream blushes and cream highlighters, and I don't have any cream bronzers, so I think I want to give that one a try. So I'm either going to order that one or the Fenty Beauty one. But anyway, I'm getting off topic here. I'm going to go in now with my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick and the shade of Crush, and then sadly we'll be done with this look. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for this little Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. I love the pink that we've got going on, just the pink eyeshadow. I think it looks really pretty and really festive for the Valentine's Day season. It's kind of like a fun twist too, because it kind of got like a little bit of peach going on in the crease. But anyway, I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. Be sure to come back for Saturday's video, because I'm going to be doing a very soft, very simple glam look for Valentine's Day. It's going to be very, very easy to follow along with. It's going to be a how to glam up for Valentine's Day, and it's going to be very beginner focused. It's going to be very, very simple. I'm just going to be doing like my basic everyday makeup routine that I've been doing recently, and I'm just going to kind of like show y'all step by step and everything like that, and just kind of show y'all how to glow up for Valentine's Day. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're down there as well. I am here for you, new videos every Thursday, Saturdays, Mondays, and Tuesdays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also give me a follow over on my social media handles as well. It is a great way to keep up with me, great way to keep tabs on me, and it's a great way to keep a lookout when I do post and upload new videos, because YouTube kind of sucks at notifying my subscribers when I have uploaded videos, and that really annoys me. I really wish YouTube would do a better job at notifying your subscribers, especially for smaller creators, that, you know, your videos have been posted and your subscribers can see that they've been posted. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. But anyway, I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. Be sure to come back for Saturday's video, because it's going to be a ton of fun. I promise you don't want to miss it. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I love you and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.